The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Show. Well, it is another day that is relatively flat across the top 10. But what are we seeing and what are we doing? Well, I'll tell you what I'm doing. Today is the 15th of February and it's the best day in the calendar. You can work out why. I'll let you take care of that. But I'm going to tell you right now. Probably going to be taking it pretty easy after about, 2 or 3 o'clock today. You see, when the markets are pumping, so too do I. When there's lots to do in my business, I go for the clappers. But yesterday and throughout the rest of the week, I've done my bit. I've worked really hard to free up some afternoon time for my family this afternoon, and that is what I'm going to do. So looking at the markets now, and that's, let's be honest, what you're here for, me waffling on about something that I'm not going to tell you about that you've got to work out yourself, these cryptic little secrets. That's not what you're here for. It's just that you're stuck with me in your ears. So unless you've turned it off at this point, whatever I say goes in between those ears. Let me give you some good stuff. All right, looking at Bitcoin right now, we've pulled back into that cradle zone. We continue to hold there. Once again, a very, very small candle indeed. But right now, as it sits, it is a small bullish candle. Now, only by a little incy-wincy teeny piece. It's 36666. Okay, 3,666.6, now 0.7. Small bullish candle back in that cradle zone. We could see a break to the upside and we could see it move. We could see it continue to do sweet FA, which it's been doing most of the week. Realistically, there hasn't been a great deal going on. We sort of got a bit of support around 36.40, but it's not tradable. There's nothing there. It's not strong. It's just really just holding its ground. You know, there's nothing more really to say there. The good thing, the positive that I could take from this is that, like I said this time last week, we are now 7 days since we saw the market go on a big rampage on that really big bullish candle. Now, that happened towards the back end of that day. It was in the afternoon or the evening here in Australia that we saw that market start to move. And, it would be nice to see the weekend very similar, to push on to new highs, take out those highs of last Friday. That, to me, would be the first sign of a little bit of bullishness. Not to say that we won't go lower, not to say that we won't test 3,000. I'm just looking at the chart short term, and if we do break above there, it will look a lot more bullish in my view. Ethereum currently sitting down 0.09% or 11 cents, a whopping 11 cents. Bitcoin is literally at break even. Nothing much to talk about on Ethereum. EOS hit that resistance, has pulled back. It is in a daily uptrend, and I want to have a look at this 4 hour. Just talk you through this, what I'm seeing. It's back in the cradle zone. Look, the bottom line is this: the chart structure is not good enough. It really isn't. It's not a very good trend at all. Cardano also very sleepy, having a little wee snooze there. Lumen's also doing the same sort of thing with a nice little level of support. By the look of it, starting to, there is a nice level of support there, but unfortunately, I can't actually short that anywhere. IOTA very sideways, down 0.9%, whopping 0.9%. Ripple down 0.25%. Litecoin up 0.18, and a nice little bullish candle there on the daily. As a matter of fact, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. A nice little bullish candle there on the daily. I may look to take a little snip out of that and see if there's a trade on there. It looks like I should have one-to-one before the old highs, where there is some resistance in around that $47.60 mark. For the time being, I am happy to sort of sit back on my heels and wait till the candle closes there. But it's starting to look a little bit more bullish there. Bitcoin Cash is sideways, and finally Monero also sideways. Now, if you don't already, or if you haven't already, guys, you need to go and check your email right now. All right, you need to go and check your email right now. Here's the reason why. There's something in your inbox. That's only if you're on the free video newsletter, righto? So you go onto the website and you subscribe to the video newsletter there. And if you have a subscription to that, then you will have received an email in the last 12 hours. In that email is something that you want to know about. Now, if you haven't got that email because you haven't got a subscription, well, then that's on you. Go and get one, because it's going to come out again shortly, okay? A reminder of what that is. It's still Valentine's in the US. It is still valid. So get across to tradercobb.com, get yourself in, join up and watch some of the free webinars. Join up and watch some of the free courses, and get the bi-weekly video newsletter that I put out. It's up to you to go and do that. I hope you do. Take advantage while you can. I hope you have a great weekend. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.